we're going to be making seafood pasta. Welcome back to Eatsy, where if we can make it, so can you, because it's Eatsy. Of course, first you've got to start with your seafood. We used one like this. You can also use whatever pasta you like, but we've gone with the classic.
Spaghetti!
Now let's take a look at the seasoning. We have a teaspoon of salt, a clove or two of minced garlic, about a quarter of a sweet onion that is also diced, a teaspoon of parsley, and then we also have orange and green bell peppers just for some color. This is an ordinary white wine rather than cooking wine. This tomato sauce up here in the corner is the same sauce that we used in our pizza video. The only difference is that we did not include the chicken bouillon. If you'd like detailed instructions on how to make this sauce, please check out our pizza video that's linked down in the description. Start with an oiled pan over medium to high heat. We'll firstly add in our onion, and then our garlic. Cook your onions and garlic until the onions have turned translucent, and then you can add in the seafood. If you want to, you can toss in some pepper to taste. Then we'll add 1 cup of the white wine and let the seafood finish cooking in it. When the seafood's done, we're going to want to keep the wine broth in the pan to add to our tomato sauce. So carefully remove the seafood, but leave the sauce in the pan. In the wine broth, we'll add a teaspoon of salt, and we'll scoop in 3 large tablespoons of the tomato sauce. We'll give the sauce a stir to incorporate it into the wine, and then we'll toss in our parsley and our bell peppers, the green ones and the orange ones. If you had your pasta cooking on a separate burner, this is the point where you could add it to the sauce. If not, you could just turn the heat down on the sauce to a low simmer until your pasta is complete to add to the sauce. Some tips on boiling your pasta: add some salt to the water, and make sure you only put in your pasta when the water is boiling already. Cook your pasta al dente, which I think is fancy Italian for not mushy. Once you've added your pasta into the sauce and stirred it in completely, you can add in your seafood. Now for some reason I have 30 seconds straight of us just stirring the pasta and the seafood, and I was trying to think of a way to make it entertaining, so dance party. By the way, that song was called Cat Shat in a Box by Josh Pan in the YouTube audio library. I don't know what you're meant to do with that information other than the fact that now you know there's a song named that. And there you have it. You can add some Parmesan cheese to the top of your pasta if you want to. And here we've plated it alongside our fried fish and fried peas, the videos for which will be in our playlist as soon as those videos are up as well. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and give a like if you want to.